Clinton County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Pasquotank County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Prince County in northeastern North Carolina, eastern Hartford County in northeastern North Carolina, Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Chilwan County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Terrific County in northeastern North Carolina, the city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia, the city of Franklin in southeastern Virginia, southern Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hunterdale to near Roduco to near Boylesville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Great.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Gates around 5 p.m. Gatesville, Holland, Carsville, and Whaleyville around 5:05
It's over there.
Windsor, Rowan, Sunbury, Coal Peak, and Tyler around 5:10 p.m. Kings Fork, Hobbsville, and Belvedere around 5:15 p.m. Downtown Suffolk around 5:20 p.m. Driver and Chappaqua around 5:25 p.m. Elizabeth City, South Mills, Chesapeake, Bowers Hill, Western Branch, and Morgan's Corner around 5:30 p.m. Deep Creek and Northwest around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Tunis, Pierceville, Newsom Store, Savage, Arrowhead Beach, Chilwan Beach, Huntersville, Topsy, Parkville, and Carter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 75. Severe thunderstorm watch close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be